Fall is the best time to learn baking, and today I'm sharing a beginner-friendly recipe that even a novice baker can bake. Just follow the recipe one step at a time, and by the end of it, you would be proud of baking this soft, eggless vanilla muffins that can be tweaked into so many other variations. You can check that out from the link given in the description box below. So for step 1, we start with making homemade buttermilk. You can of course use a store-bought too, but making one at home is uber easy, as all you have to do is add vinegar to warm milk. Mix and set aside while you proceed to step 2. In this step, simply sieve all the dry ingredients in the recipe in a bowl and set this aside as well. Proceeding to step 3, in which onto a medium-sized mixing bowl, beat together room temperature yogurt, that is dahi, with sugar until combined. No need for a stand or handheld mixer, a simple whisk would do the job. Then whisking continuously, add the oil followed by vanilla, which is the key ingredient for this recipe, so make sure you're using a good quality one. I will leave the link for the one that I am using in the description box below, so if you would like, do give it a check. Now all you have to do is combine everything into a cake batter, for which we would alternate between the dry and wet ingredients, starting and ending with dry ingredients. So add 1/3 of the dry ingredients, that is the sieved flour mixture, remember from step 2. Combine it and then add half of the buttermilk mixture from step 1. Combine that as well and then repeat the process until you get a cake batter like consistency. Divide it into muffin pan lined with cupcake liner and bake in the preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the pan itself for a few minutes, then transfer onto a wire rack to cool completely before enjoying it with some chai. And if you are just starting out to bake, then try our eggless vanilla cupcakes next, which again is just perfect for beginners. I'll see you soon with yet another video. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.
Time.